Hi and welcome to Coworkin. Coworkin is based here at Beacon South Quarter. Beacon South Quarter in Sandyford is just across the road from the landmark building here. It's Beacon Hospital and Beacon Hotel. Don't be tempted to park in the Beacon Hotel, it's quite expensive. Another place people like to park sometimes is here, where Starbucks and the coffee shop are located. Parking there though is limited to 1 hour and is quite prone to clamping. If you want to park, then parking is available in what we would think of as Dunnes Stores, the Beacon South Quarter car park. And a good landmark for finding that is that 14-storey unfinished building in the background. So if you're arriving by car from the M50, this is a good landmark. You'll be turning right just here. There's a sign there for the Beacon South Quarter. And now we've just turned right onto Carman Hall Road, and here is Beacon South Quarter car park, the entrance. And just up here in these offices is Coworkin. I'll show you now how to find your way up to it. Parking here is free for the first 2 hours. We'd probably be here for 3 hours, so it would cost €2, or for the whole day is €4. And whether you arrive by car or by bike or by Lewis, you'll probably end up here. Over here, Dunnes Stores, and in this corner over here we have Ben Dunn Gym. Ben Dunn Gym is probably the best landmark for finding your way up to Coworkin. Let's go over via Dunnes Stores. Okay, here's Dunnes Stores, easy enough to find. And then in the corner over here, right opposite the Dunnes Stores entrance, is the Ben Dunn Gym. And the covered walkway here, there's an escalator which goes up to the next level, which is where we're going now. So the escalator is normally moving. This morning it's off, of course. It's a little bit before 8. Top of the escalator we go left. On your right you see Imaginosity, the Children's Museum, and also the exit to one of the car parks. We're going to the left. Past the Cubes 7, which is apartments, we don't need that, to here, just at this red fire hydrant. So the Cubes offices. And we're going to the mezzanine floor. You can take a lift, or just behind the lift is the stairs. So inside the lift, M for mezzanine. And then once out of the lift, you can see we've just come up half a story really. There's 2 doors. That one's locked. There's only one door, only one way you can actually go. And again, that goes out to a car park. There's really only one way that you can go. Through one more door. And here we are, Coworkin, 325. This is a temporary office that we're using for the event. Coworkin itself is further on down the corridor. So you can just come straight on in. The lights will actually be on the day, of course. And we'll see you then.